So welcome everybody to today's workout. Today we are going to do an ab set. It's just a workout of 4 exercises. We will be doing 4 exercises back to back, and I will be telling you the counts that you can do the exercise for, and in between the exercise we'll take a little bit of rest. So basically let's start with the basic warm up first. So arm rotations. Just keep following the workout with me, and in about half an hour's time we will be done and we'll be burning lots of calories and toning our abs. Reverse. Change your arm. Never do a workout without a good warm-up. If you do a good warm-up, you reduce your chances of sprains, aches and any injuries. Now both arms. And reverse. Reach out, 6 counts. Six. Let's go to the waist now. Waist rotations. Try to increase your range of motion in every count. 2 more. And reverse. Last 2, 1 and 2. Great. Let's do some knee ups now. Knee up and clap at the bottom. Slowly and steadily we want to get each muscle, each group warmed up nicely. Let your blood circulation happen well so that you can do your main set very easily. Now side. Four more. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now spread your feet apart. Your right leg on your right hand on your right leg. Slide it down and come up and change. Increase your range of motion. Try to go a little lower each time. 3 more. 2 and last one. Great job. Now feet together. Place both your hands on your knees and rotations, knee rotations. Now reverse. Okay. Now let's mobilize the ankle a little bit. So find your balance and move your ankle round. And reverse. Change. And reverse. Great. Now let's do one set of kickbacks. So with your arms, kick back. You will already feel your body getting warmed up, which is a great sign. You may even start sweating a little bit, which is even better. 8 more. That's 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now we take arm circles. Full range of motion. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we want to get our body really warmed up nicely. So we'll go in for a little jog. So jog with me. Keep jogging. This is a shallow jog. It won't really hurt your knees, but it will surely get your body nice and warmed up and ready for the main set. Okay, 10 more counts. Let's go in for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Great job. So we are done with a little bit of a warm up. Now we will enter the main set. So for the main set, you will need just a mat and a little space in your house. And I have the workout ready written with me. So now we will start with 20 jacks. Okay. So jacks is basically like this. But if you want an easier version, you just go from one side to the other side. Okay. So let's get ready. On your marks, get set and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. So now we'll just take a little rest, and in that time I will explain to you the next workout. Next workout is going to be a plank and a shoulder tap. Okay? Watch me and then get started. This is your plank. Your hands are stacked up right under your shoulders, and you just take some distance between your feet and you tap your shoulders. Okay? Like that. So we do 20 counts. For the easier version, you place your knees down and you tap. Okay? Ready to get started? Take your position in the plank and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Come up. Next exercise is going to be side plank with leg abductions. Okay? So I've planned it in such a way that we work a little bit on the upper body, and the next exercise is the lower body exercise, so that you don't feel tired after any exercise. Okay? So this one also, all these exercises will engage your core. Okay? So for the next one, you need to lie down. Place your lower foot down a little bit at the back, and your foot that is above, the one above, will go a little bit in the front. Okay? Then you come up. With your other hand, you just support and you lift. 1. We do 10 counts on each side. Okay? If you want, you can even place your palm like this and then raise. Okay? Raise. But now, this time, for today, we will come on the elbow. Place your hand for support. Lift up. Ready? Get into your position. And we get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. This is a little challenging. It challenges your oblique muscles. Okay? We change the side. Don't give up. Complete your exercises. Your elbow on the ground, right below your shoulder. Okay? Lower leg forward. Lower leg back. Upper leg forward. Lift up. Support your hand. Okay? Find your balance and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Next exercise is the bed bug. Okay? Take a little break while I explain the exercise to you. Okay? Hands and feet at the back. Okay? Then bend your knees and try, and with opposite hand and opposite leg will get raised. Okay? Just touch and down. Very simple. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great job. The next exercise is 20 mountain climbers with push-ups. Okay? So I want you to do, I'm going to show you two versions. You can choose the advanced version or the beginner version depending on your fitness level. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go down. Okay? Do 2 mountain climbers. 1, 2, and I'm going to do a push-up. Right? If you find this difficult, this is your easier version. 1, 2, knees down, flat on the ground, come up and up. Okay? So let's do one thing. Let's together do the easier version for 10 counts and the difficult version for the advanced. Okay? So first is the beginner, 10 counts, and then the next 10 will be advanced. If you want to continue with the beginner, you can do so. If you want to move to the advanced with me, you can do that, and let's do this together. Okay? Ready? On your hands. Okay? Knees up. Let's go. 1, 2, down and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you want to move to the advanced version. No stopping. If you want, you can continue with the beginner, but let's go for the advanced. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Great job. So we are done with our exercises, and as the ending we will do one set of jacks. Okay? And that is 50 counts. Okay? Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, everybody. We are done with our workout, and I will see you next time with another workout. Don't miss. Bye bye.